saving with Shay. Listen, I'm here for my midweek, and yes, I got one. Oh my gosh. I was like, oh my gosh. What should I do? What should I do? And so I have 18 offers for $5, and so I'm hoping I can knock this out. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. So listen, y'all, I'm going to Pittsburgh to watch David graduate, and I'm so excited. Literally, like, he's going to graduate on Saturday, so we're gonna fly out Thursday. And so I'm not really sure if I'm gonna do a Walmart video. I probably won't, to be honest. I'm trying to see if I can create some type of content to, you know, put out while I'm gone. But y'all, I'm so freaking excited. I cannot believe, like, I just had this kid. Like, I just had him, and he's about to graduate. I'm just like, OMG, and I'm so proud of him. You guys don't even understand. If I could convey the frustration of him when he was little, OMG, you guys. So I am just so freaking proud of him. Just so freaking proud of him. I'm not gonna cry, but I am so proud of him. I'm trying to get the stockpile together. So if I could get the stockpile together, then I could post that. Because I want to do an updated stockpile video. There is a lot of shrinkage going on with the stockpile, but I'm okay with it. I've been selling, I've been donating, all right? And I'm being honest, I've been trashing, you know? But I wanted to make this quick. There's really nothing I wanted to mention. I'm gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can get. If I didn't tell you, I need 18 offers for $5. I need 18 offers for $5. I'm hoping I can pull through with it. And so if you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
Guys, so this first deal I did this morning after I left the gym, I was so happy that I saw it when I was here. Saving with Save posted this deal. They are priced at $3.12. There's 7 different flavors. They're a little mixed up now, but there's 7 different flavors on Shopkick for, I want to say it was 750 kicks, 10 scan kicks, which is $7.60, and then it's a total of $3.04 back for each one. So it makes them only 8 cents each, which I think is pretty awesome. So I went ahead and grabbed one of each. Now, the receipt processed perfectly fine, but when it reset, I think it was only the strawberries and cream one that reset. So just a heads up on that. But this is a really, really awesome deal. There might be brand club surveys. I haven't checked yet. But for 8 cents, that's an amazing deal. So definitely would grab this deal. Next up is the macaroni. It's priced at $1.08, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta. Brings it down to only 58 cents. Limit on this is a limit of 5. So the Simply macaroni, which is priced at $1.68, getting back 75 cents on Ibotta, makes that 93 cents with also a limit of 5.
I posted on my community tab early this morning at like the butt crack of this morning because I was like, OMG. So it's on the Toasters. I know we probably tired. Are y'all tired of these? I've just finished a box of these. And I haven't tried the sea salt and olive ones yet, but they are priced at $3.64. Bam. This is a some moneymaker offer on Ibotta. You're getting back $5 with a limit of 1. So I came this morning, I grabbed 2 boxes, separate transactions, did one for Walmart Rewards and did the other one for Ibotta. And then you might have brand club surveys, which will make it an even better deal. And then if you haven't had a chance to do the offer on Fetch Reward, I think it's 1,000 kicks with a limit of 3. It would be an even bigger moneymaker for you. I already did mine, it's like 2 hauls ago. And so if you just get back to 5, it'll make it a $1.36 moneymaker. And so definitely is a deal you want to do on both if you can. And so, yeah, so this next deal is on the Febreze small spaces. This particular one here, the Georgia Peach Orchid, is priced at $3.24. I'm getting back $2.30 on Ibotta, would make that $1.12. They also have one on the Febreze plug, the single, which is right here. This store is completely out, and believe me, I looked high and low, and I didn't see any. But it's priced at $3.42. Getting back $2.30 will make that. Actually, wait a minute. This one's a little cheaper. I forgot to redo the math because when I got here, I realized they had one that was cheaper than $3.42. So that one's a little cheaper. This one, after the $2.30 back on Ibotta, makes that one $1.12. The Febreze auto clips, the single ones are in automotive, so I'm gonna go over there. So they do have some single ones over here that are cheaper. This one here, the Fresh Scent, the single is $3.97. Get back $2.30 on Ibotta, making that $1.67. All right, so this deal is on the Ray. We've been doing this deal. I kind of debated whether or not I want to do this deal again, but it is priced at $5.47, getting back $3 on Ibotta. There's also $1 on Tada, and of course, if you haven't did it on Shop Made or Alexa, those are options for you as well, bringing this down to only $1.47. And of course, this deal is still good as well, so I went ahead and grabbed it again. So it's priced at $4.62, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta, $2.50 on Alexa, makes it a 38-cent moneymaker. Now, I did have it on Inbox and Tada, but it is gone there, making this a 38-cent moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is on the Old Spice body wash. I saw Michelle post this in her video. Check it out, Michelle. It's priced at $2.12. It is working for the dollar off on Ibotta, brings it down to only $1. And then I found out, like, literally after I posted my last video on the Colgate working on the trial size. So you want to grab the Colgate Max Fresh, priced at $1.12. You'll get back $2 on Ibotta, makes it an 88-cent moneymaker. And then the Colgate Total right here is $1.97, getting back $3 on Ibotta, makes it a $1.03 moneymaker. All right, so the next deal is on the Crest Scope. It's priced at $2.98. This is working for the $2 offer on Ibotta. I also have a 50-cent brand club survey as well, bringing that down to only 48 cents. Right, so this next deal is on the Shea Moisture deodorant. I'm a little still on the fence with this deal. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it yet. But this is the deodorant that I'm using right now. Absolutely love it. So for this, they're priced at $9.87, and you want to grab 3 different scents because there are 3 different ones on Shopkick. So 3 of them is going to cost $29.91. I do have hang tags, but I totally left them in the flipping car. So I'm going to go to the car and get them, but they're for $2 off. So I'll use 3 of those. The total will come down to $23.91, and then there's a $3 offer for spending $20 on Fetch Reward. There's also a $1.50 back for each one, and then 600 kicks for each one, which is $2.40 on Shopkick. It brings them down to $3.07 each, which is definitely not too bad. I mean, it's not great, but it's not bad either, especially if you like it, and I like it, so I'm probably gonna grab it. This next deal is going to be on the Secret Outlast. It's on the Completely Clean. It's priced at $5.97. Getting back $1 on Ibotta. There's also 650 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.60, and then a 45-cent brand club survey makes that $1.92. And then the other item over here is on the spray, the brown sugar one. It's priced at $6.97. Getting back $2 on Ibotta. 800 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.20, and a 40-cent brand club survey, making that one $1.37. All right, here is another deal I saw Michelle post in her last Walmart video. It's on the Olay, specifically the vitamin C one. It is double attaching for 2 $3 offers. The other ones are attaching with a 3 and a 2, but this one is the only one that is attaching to two. I'm sorry, why am I stuttering? 2 $3 offers, and so you're gonna grab 2 of them, priced at $9.42. The total for both is gonna be $18.88. Again, you'll get back $3 for each one, and then the other offer is $3 when you buy 2. We've got 650 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.60 times 2, and there's a $5 P&G rebate when you spend $20. Then last but not least, I've got 2 surveys on Brand Club for 45 cents and 40 cents, making it this $1.21 moneymaker. So this is the very last deal. So if you made it to the last deal, you're just so freaking awesome. I love y'all to pieces. If you made it to the last deal, in the comments, I want to see a shopping cart emoji, if there is one, and I'm pretty sure there is. So I was kind of on the fence whether or not to do this deal a 3rd time. I do have 2 offers on Fetch Rewards still tracking. Don't have it on Ibotta or Walmart Rewards anymore, but I thought it was a still pretty decent deal. So for this, we're going to grab, actually, I'm going to go ahead and grab this one here.
and I'm going to grab the scrub. All right. The total for both is going to come to $19 and I want to say 96 cents. And then I have an offer buy 2, get back 3, and then a spend 20, get back 4. So I'll get back 7 from Fetch Reward. And then one of them, there's 1,300 kicks on Shopkick, which is $5.20. The other one is 1,200 kicks, which is $4.80 on Shopkick. So it brings them down to $1.48 each, which is pretty awesome. So other than that, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown.
All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. This worked out really, really good. Now, one of you guys did hit me up and let me know that the Blue Bunny ice cream offer on Shopkick, it did go down in kicks, I think 500 kicks. Yeah, and I low-key, if I had the freezer space, I probably would have did it again with my greedy butt. But why are these like 3 serving sizes? That's what I just want to know. Like, why? Why is it 3 serving sizes? Like, who? Who gonna eat a third of this? Who? Not my greedy ass, because, you know, I'm going to eat the whole thing. And then I'm probably going to go in the freezer and say, ooh, let me try a different flavor, because, you know, your girl got 7 different flavors to try. But that was a really awesome deal. Now, I did have brand club surveys for that as well. 75, 70, 65, and 60. So it made that deal a nice little money maker for me. I did Walmart rewards for the Colgate Max Fresh, the small spaces, and the Cresta right there. And that worked out good. The coupon that I used for the Shea Moisture, because I did not show you guys in the video, is this one right here. It expires the end of this month. I only have this one left. And the cashier had, well, I could only do 2 per transaction. So I did 2, and then I did the other one by itself. So when I submitted that receipt, though, on Fetch Reward, it actually still gave me credit for 3 on the one receipt. And then when I submitted the other receipt, I got another one. So I got an extra $1.50 back for that deal. I did do the Rockstar, as you can see. I did it 4 times. I did 4 different transactions at one store. And that's just because I went early and the printer paper looked really good. So I was just like, let me just go ahead and just do 4 times. So I did 4 different transactions. And like I told you guys in my last video, they kind of itemize their receipts now, where they're more specific to flavors and stuff like that, which I think is really good. So that's why I did a set of each of them, and then I mixed this set right here. So all those receipts did go through on aisles. For that, my receipts have been processing the next morning. Everything here worked out pretty good, though. The only coupons I had was the 3 Shea Moisture coupons. Again, those scanned perfectly fine. I went to regular register. And my stores, they have opened their self-checkouts again. It is a limit of 15 items, and they're strict with that. And they have said it's no multiple transactions, but I did 2 yesterday and I did 2 today. So, you know, I think it just really depends on who's over there. But I absolutely love that. I absolutely love that. The only thing I did on the sister apps was the Raid on Tada and the Stem on Alexa, and those both went through. I think that's basically it as far as this haul, you guys. I'm gonna try to make this quick because I'm about to actually milk. And so everything you see here retails $154.08. I had $6 in coupons. It brought the out of pocket down to $148 and it brought the total down to $148.08. My sales tax was $9.69, and we walk away with a total of $47.10 from Shopkick, $40.65 from Ibotta. Aisles is $20. Fetch Reward is $16. Walmart Rewards was $11.30. The P&G gift card offer rebate thing is a $5 gift card. Brand Club was $4.95. Alexa's $2.50, and last but not least, Tada, is $1. So we walk away with a total of $148.50 back in rebates. It makes everything you see here free plus it's free, y'all. It's free. It's free plus 42-cent money maker. That was low-key why I went to freaking Dollar Tree and did the Rockstar, because I was like, look, this is gonna cost me like $10. Let me just go and get some Rockstar, because really I didn't really want to go to Dollar Tree today. But I figured with Dollar Tree and doing the Rockstar, I could at least make this free, if not a tiny moneymaker.
And so other than that, you guys, our emoji. So Josiah's in the other room and he really doesn't want to participate in this haul. So our emoji is gonna be a cap, a graduation cap, since both of my boys are graduating. And I know you guys have a lot of yours that are graduating as well. So if you get to the very end of the video, I really, really appreciate you. We want to see some caps in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next one. As always, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.